How many Microsoft Rewards points do you need for Robux? So in this video we're going to be taking a look at how many points you have to get before you can redeem them for Robux on Roblox. So first of all, go to rewards.bing.com. I will put the link in the description, so you just have to click it, and then we are taken to this page. So I'm going to click on redeem with my available points. So once I've done that, I'm going to type in Roblox in the search bar and then click on the Roblox digital card. So from here, there's options to buy 100 Robux, 200, 400, 800 and 1000. Now the thing to note is that you don't get any discounts for buying more. So if you want 1000 Robux, 10 times more than 100, you get 15,000 points. So 10,000 more, 10 times more than 1,500. So you don't have to wait to buy a larger amount because you won't get any discount. So if you want to buy 100 Robux, you need 1,500 points, and that is enough for 100 Robux. So obviously if you want 200 Robux, that would be 3,000 points. If you want 400 Robux, that would be 6,000 points. If you want 800, it would be 12,000 points, and then 1,000, 15,000 points. Something interesting to note is that you also get an exclusive item, which is the Roblox Bubbler headphones. And you can get this all the way through to the 31st of December 2024. So you have a whole year to redeem that item, and all you need is 1,500 points to get the smallest amount of Robux, 100 Robux. So that is how many points you need to get a 100 Robux digital gift card. If this video was useful, please leave a like and a nice friendly comment, and also subscribe. It'll let me know that I helped you guys out, and that would be great.